You're tired of staring at an empty dashboard on Outlier, or if you are just sick of getting banned for no reason, stop what you are doing. All right, there are 3 other AI websites hiring remote workers right now that almost no one is talking about. So these platforms pay anywhere from $10 to $45 an hour, and they have consistent work, and for 2 of them you can start applying today without a degree. So let's dive straight into website number 1. As you can see right here on your screen, we have Rise Data Labs. So guys, this is the perfect alternative if you feel like Outlier is too glitchy or crowded. So Rise Data Labs focuses heavily on the AI training for things like image recognition and test analysis. All right, and they are incredibly transparent about their pay. So as you can see right here, for this one, JavaScript AI training specialist, you are getting paid $15 to $45 per hour. So they are simply transparent, and this is global one. That is, you can do this job from anywhere. As you can see right here, you can see remote, and we have for a simple one, we have AI data annotation and SQL specialist, and this one is global. As you can see right here, you are earning $15 to $45 per hour. And another one right here is entry-level remote job, generative AI content reviewer, and you're also earning $15 to $13 per hour. So you have the first one right here, remote image annotation specialist. So you are earning $5 to $10 per hour. So you can simply go through everything. All right, now this one is another one, video production specialist for AI training. You're getting paid $15 to $45 per hour. All right, so guys, this is an opportunity for you. So I want you to take action immediately you are done watching this video, please. Now let's talk about the heavy hitter, the Search AI. So if you are smart, a good writer, or have a specific degree, this is where you want to be. Now you want to think of Search AI as a premium version of data annotation. All right, because they demand higher quality, they simply pay better. Now we are talking about $25 to $50 an hour for many roles, and they work with some of the biggest tech companies in the world, like to train their large language models. So the entry test is harder than Outliers, so take note of that. And they don't just want one bodies, they want people who can write clearly and also follow complex instructions. All right, so you want to take your time on their assessment. You want to treat it like a final exam. If you get in, it is one of the most reliable side hustles on the internet. So guys, this is how you actually get started. So you want to go to searchhq.ai to actually get started. All right, now as you can see right here, I already have the job listed right here, but you want to click on careers right here to actually get access. Now we have data scientists, we have forward deployed data scientists, we have word machine learning language research scientists, and we have backend engineer, we have data engineer, and let me scroll down a little bit. We have accounts manager, we have product finance manager. So you can simply go through everything. Now let me check this one. We have social media manager. So if you want to become social media manager, you can simply click on that to actually get more information on this. All right, so you can simply read through. So if you're okay with it, you simply want to scroll down and then click on apply now. All right, so it is as simple as that. So guys, if you are getting value, please like this video, and if you are here to subscribe, please do so now. And finally, website number 3, iMerit. Why Outlier feels like a gig, maybe app, iMerit feels like a real job. All right, so they specialize in super specific data work like medical AI, autonomous driving, and geospatial data. So this is why iMerit is different. iMerit often focuses on long-term employment and career growth rather than just random tasks. So they simply invest in training their workers, whom they call iMeritologists. So the starting pay might be slightly lower than a search rate on the other platforms, but the trade-off is stability. So take note of that, and you are not constantly terrified that your queue will go empty overnight. All right, so this is how you want to apply. So you want to go to iMerit.net. All right, you want to go to iMerit.net, and you want to scroll to their career sections and look for data analyst or annotation roles. And this is the biggest pick if you want a resume builder, not just quick cash. And so guys, if you want to go through everything, all right, this is it. So you want to go through everything. Now guys, I have a bonus website for you, so you can also share this one, Meridia AI. So in my previous video I spoke about this Meridia.ai. So you want to go through this. So we have different jobs right there. As you can see, this one is worldwide, and they are simply remote. So guys, if you want to go through everything, right, you want to go through everything. So guys, this is the bonus website, and here this is the truth about remote job. The best way to make money remotely is to not put all your eggs in one basket. So don't just wait for Outlier to fix their dashboard. You want to apply to all three of these today. All right, all these three of today, and also the bonus website. So if you get rejected by one, you want to move to the next one. So I have all the links in the description of this video, so you can get started right now. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.